Welcome to Pioneer's Knowledge Hub.
Why is the exploration of space so crucial, and why is there a fierce competition among nations to claim the cosmos? This question has been on the minds of many as we witness the dawn of a new era in space exploration. The cosmos represents a vast, uncharted frontier, teeming with possibilities and potential resources. It's a new battleground for prestige, power, and the promise of untold wealth. The Moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has become the focal point of this new space race. It's seen as a stepping stone for further space exploration and a potential source of valuable resources. The main players in this lunar race are the United States, China, and Russia, each vying for a piece of the lunar pie. The United States, under NASA's Artemis program, is making significant strides towards returning humans to the Moon. The program benefits from a strong alliance with private companies, bringing new technology and innovation to the table. On the other side of the globe, China is also making impressive progress. They've successfully landed robotic missions on the Moon and have even established a rover on the far side. With their own space station and advanced spaceship development, the Middle Kingdom is proving to be a formidable contender. Then there's Russia. Once a dominant force in space exploration, Russia now finds itself lagging behind. Its space program has been plagued by outdated launch systems, budget cuts, and quality control issues. The recent failure of the Luna-25 mission, their first attempt to land on the Moon in nearly half a century, has only added to their challenges. In this fierce competition, Russia's Luna-25 mission was a critical endeavor, but what led to its unfortunate failure? Let's delve into the chronology of events leading up to the Luna-25 mission. The roots of Russia's space exploration date back to the mid-20th century, when it was a key player in the original space race. The nation's space program, led by the renowned Roscosmos, has been a source of national pride, with notable achievements such as the launch of the first man-made satellite, Sputnik, and the first manned spaceflight by Yuri Gagarin. Fast forward to the 21st century, Russia's space aspirations took a new turn with the conception of Luna-25. This mission was a significant part of Russia's grand lunar ambitions, aiming to re-establish the nation's presence on the Moon after a hiatus of nearly half a century. Luna-25 was designed to be more than a symbolic gesture. It was a deliberate step towards a future where Russia could potentially establish permanent bases on the Moon and mine its resources. The timeline of Luna-25 was a journey of years, marked by meticulous planning, rigorous testing, and relentless dedication. The mission was conceived in the early years of the 21st century, and the spacecraft was finally launched in the summer of 2023. The journey to the Moon was expected to take several days, during which the spacecraft was to traverse 250,000 miles. The objectives of the Luna-25 mission were clear and ambitious. It aimed to land a robotic spacecraft on the Moon's surface, paving the way for future manned missions. The spacecraft was equipped with advanced scientific instruments, designed to study the lunar surface and gather valuable data. Russia's aspirations for the mission were high. Luna-25 was to be a stepping stone towards reclaiming the nation's position in the global space arena. But despite careful planning and execution, the Luna-25 mission ended in a crash on the lunar surface. What went wrong with the Luna-25 mission? That's the question on everyone's mind. The Luna-25 was Russia's ambitious attempt to re-establish their place in the lunar exploration arena, but it ended in a catastrophic crash, leaving a trail of questions and doubts. The crash of Luna-25 wasn't just a simple case of a technical glitch. It was an amalgamation of a series of unfortunate events, with the roots of the failure tracing back to the outdated launch systems that were used. Russia's space program has been grappling with a lack of modernization for years. The spacecraft's collision with the lunar surface was a glaring testament to the outdated technology and the need for an overhaul. There were also whispers of potential technical issues that plagued the mission. While the exact nature of these issues remains unclear, it's evident that there were underlying problems that went beyond the outdated launch systems. The exact cause of the accident is still under investigation, but these technical issues are believed to have played a significant role in the mission's failure. But the Luna-25 crash wasn't just a result of mechanical failures. The international sanctions imposed on Russia had a ripple effect on their space program. Western sanctions limited Russia's access to high-quality microchips, a crucial component in space technology. This lack of access to essential resources may have contributed to the mission's failure. And then there's the elephant in the room: corruption. Allegations of corruption have long shadowed Russia's space program, raising questions about the effective use of funds and resources. While it's difficult to quantify the exact impact of corruption on the Luna-25 mission, it's clear that it's a factor that cannot be ignored when assessing the overall health and viability of Russia's space program. The fall of Luna-25 was not just a crash, it was a stark reminder of the challenges that Russia's space program faces. The mission's failure has highlighted the need for modernization, transparency, and better resource management. It's a wake-up call that echoes through the corridors of Russia's space agency, demanding change and improvement. The crash of Luna-25 has raised serious questions about the future of Russia's space program. The failure of the Luna-25 mission isn't just a singular event, it's a symptom of larger, systemic issues that need to be addressed. The path to recovery and success will undoubtedly be a challenging one, but it's a journey that Russia's space program must embark on to reclaim its place in the cosmos. The Luna-25 mission's failure has far-reaching implications. This setback not only casts a shadow on Russia's space ambitions but also raises questions about its position in the global arena. As the world watches on, this stumble has undoubtedly tempered the perception of Russia as a formidable space power. The international community has been quick to respond. With the US and China steadily advancing in their lunar expeditions, Russia's inability to land on the moon signifies a lag in the space race. In contrast, India's successful lunar landing has solidified its status as an emerging player in the field. The failure of Luna-25 also has a direct impact on the ongoing space race. With Russia's lunar roadmap now uncertain, the momentum has shifted towards other nations. The US, with its Artemis program, and China, with its successful moon missions, are now leading the way. Meanwhile, India is making strides with its Chandrayaan-3 mission. As the race to conquer the cosmos continues, the journey of Luna-25 serves as a reminder of the immense challenges that lie ahead.
Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.